Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 19 June 2018, 11:01 and 20 second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do I remove the video card from my computer? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do I remove the video card from my computer. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about how do I remove the video card from my computer. Unplug the monitor cable, then remove the screw or screws holding the graphics card in place. Pop the card upward, out of its slot. You might have to disengage a plastic clip on the slot on the motherboard, near the front of the card, to release it fully. Last update October 10, 2007. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.